This is my project for CS50X. So I have created a MUN Model United Nations portal for this project. So as you can see on this page right here, we have the admin portal where the admin, if we enter the password, for now it's admin123, you can see all the current assignments that has been done and whichever committee that has been done. And to know which committee that you've done the assignments to, you can check all the committees here in the committee portal. So if I press here, you can see that we have 4 committees for now. UNSC, WHO, UNHRC and UNEP. I'm building to have more features, and that I think I'll be done to finish that by like another few days. And then you can see, let's say we go to the home page, we'll have the delegate login where I can log in under my name, let's say Neel, and my country US. And then you can see delegate dashboard here where you can submit your position paper and all. For example, let's say I have a position paper representing US stating that US wishes to not further participate in this conference. After we submit the paper here, we will be able to see all the papers that have been done. So for example, I submitted 2 papers here as US. Agreed that nuclear proliferation must be followed and US wishes to not further participate in this conference. And we can also see that India also thinks that nuclear proliferation must be followed. And you can see all the submitted position papers here. And for delegates who are beginners, they can move into resources and they will be able to find out how to write a Persian paper. If they click on this, it will redirect to like how a Persian paper works and what and all, what's the format of a paper and so on. And also the rules of procedure in a committee as well. So you can be clicking on all of these links to learn more about how an MUN works. And after that, again, you can go to delegate login and you can log in as a different delegate. And to see all of this, let's say as an admin, I want to add one more country to this. Let's say China in UNSC. Once I press assign, now China is also there. Now I can go to delegate login and let's say my name is, for example, Ravi, and I'm logging in as China. You can see it's Ravi representing China. And I can put China stance and also submit a Persian paper there. So this is what my entire project is about, and I'm going to be building this further as well in the next few weeks. I hope you like my project. Thank you.